To perform maintenance on your P3700 pressure washer, follow these steps. Ensure the power washer is on a flat, level surface in a well-ventilated area. Before each use, begin by checking your pressure washer for leaks, loose or damaged parts, and any other condition that may affect proper operation. Be sure all safety guards are in place and in proper working order. Inspect all air vents and cooling slots to ensure they are clean and unobstructed. Repair or replace all damaged or defective parts immediately. For safety reasons, all pressure washer service and repairs should be performed by an authorized service center. To clean your pressure washer, make sure the engine is turned off and has had time to cool down. Next, use an air compressor, set at no more than 25 psi, to clear dirt and debris from the pressure washer surfaces, vents, and cooling slots. Then, wipe the exterior clean with a damp cloth. To clean the hose connections, the spray gun, and pump connectors, they should be cleaned and lubricated with a thin film of lithium grease regularly to prevent O-ring damage and leaks. To clean the nozzle, next, turn off the water supply. Then, point the spray gun in a safe direction and squeeze the trigger to relieve the water pressure and set the trigger lock. Next, remove the nozzle from the Lance Quick connector. Then, clear any obstructions from the nozzle by inserting the nozzle cleaning tool that was provided with your pressure washer. If the nozzle becomes clogged, the pump may pulsate and spray patterns could change, and excessive pressure may develop, possibly damaging the pump or other accessories. Next, rinse any loose debris from the nozzle by directing a running garden hose into the output of the nozzle for at least 30 seconds. Before each use, check the inlet filter and clean by following these steps. Never operate the pressure washer without the inlet filter properly installed. Next, remove the filter from the garden hose coupler. Then, use water from a running garden hose to clean both sides of the filter. Next, insert the clean filter into the pump inlet with the convex side facing out. The pump on this unit is a maintenance-free design. The pump was filled with oil at the factory and has no oil drain or fill plugs. If there is a problem with the pump on this pressure washer, call 877-362-4271. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit polarispower.com.